Hey Tinkers, my name is Natalia, and as requested in the polls and in the comments, I'm going to show you a very special type of birthday card. And it looks like this, a little cute animal with its hands covering its eyes, but when you open its arms, it reveals the surprise inside. Isn't it adorable? Now this is very easy to create, and you can even create any kind of animal you like this chicken here. You can decorate them in whatever kind of way you want to, and you can even put money inside the gifts. Isn't that cool? Now I would love to know what you want me to create next, so be sure to vote here in the poll above, and let's just begin. But first, subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more of these kind of DIYs in the future, and remember to hit the bell button below so you don't miss out. Let's just get started! Now take your construction paper and then make a rectangle with these measurements. Now on the long side, make markings at 6 and 14 centimeters, and this is to divide the figure into 3 sections, one for the head, body and legs. Now on top of the figure, find the middle and then make a mark, and then draw a line downwards until you meet the 6 centimeter marking. Now at the 6 centimeter marking, find the middle and make a mark, and then draw a line across the figure. Now draw 2 circular eyes right on the line you just made. Now you need to extend this line so it reaches outside the figure. This line will be a guide to where to draw the paws or hands of your figure. Now when you're drawing the arms, make sure they're the same size. Now bring your figure to life with a cute face and details in the hands. And then cut it out. Resketch everything with your marker and then erase every pencil marking you've made. Add a little party hat and then keep decorating it until you're happy with the way it looks. Now grab the arms and then place the hands right onto its eyes. Keep the hands on the eyes while you're making a fold on the arms. If you want, you can decorate the arms so they don't look naked. Now the very last thing we need to create are the gifts. So cut some small squares or rectangular pieces of construction paper and make sure that they can hide the stomach of your figure, because this is where you write your message. Now decorate the gifts in any way you want. I chose to create some gift bags. The way I did it was to take some tissue paper, then crumble it up, and then glue it right onto the edge of the gift. Then I cut a small strip of construction paper in an angle. Then I placed them in this triangular shape and then glued them onto the corners on the back of the gift, while still trying to maintain the triangular shape. Maybe add some decorations to it before gluing it onto the figure. But before gluing the gift onto the arm, sketch around the arm so you know where to place the glue. Then add the glue and then place it right into the arm area you just sketched. And also be aware of the fold in the arm so you don't glue it shut. The very last thing to do is to write a cute message, and then you're done. Your peekaboo birthday card is ready to be given away. I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave a like if you did, and be sure to check out these DIYs here to get some more inspiration. And if you want to see the upcoming videos here on the channel, you need to subscribe and be part of our lovely Tinker family here at Natalia's Toolbox. So subscribe, and I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!